You know we were using Google notebooklm in the last one?
Yeah.
I thought we'd try it again, but this time we'll create some graphics so you can create slide decks and infographics.
Okay.
So I thought, if you're okay with it, we'd use one of your blog posts.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah? Okay, so I've already got, and hopefully you can see, I've got the notebooklm panel open there. So I'm going to go try notebooklm, and you can find notebooklm at notebooklm.google, and you might have to sign in or create an account if you haven't already got one. So I'm going to create new notebook, and then you can either ask it to search for things for you, you can upload files, you can upload, you can put in links to websites or YouTube videos, or you can put in copied text, which I'm going to do. So I've got your deadline blog post here.
Okay.
I'm going to go insert. And the good thing about Google Notebooklm is it's only using that as a source. So it's not going out to the web and looking for everything.
Right.
Unless you use that, the web search.
Yeah.
So we can go over to slide deck. And then we can either create a detailed deck or presenter slides. We're going to go that.
Well, let's
What
go.
I thought, yeah, go on.
Let's go clean visual sides with key talking points, yeah?
Yeah.
And then maybe short?
Yeah, we'll go short because it takes a while. And what I thought is, because the style of your website is very, very simple and white,
Yep.
I created a little prompt because here we can describe the sort of slide deck we want to create. But I was thinking, although it's calling it slide deck, I think you can use these to go in your blog posts. So,
Okay.
when you're putting a Substack post or even use it as social media graphic. The only thing is, it does tend to be horizontal,
Right.
like the like a slide.
Yeah.
So I've just create some simple, minimal, beautifully designed slides, each with a quote pulled out from the blog post, white backgrounds with a clean serif font, minimal. Think Apple design aesthetic.
Right.
And then going to hit generate. Now, as you know from the last video, that will take maybe 5 minutes to do. So you need to go get a cup of tea. You need to eat something, or I do, because my stomach's been going, hasn't it? So I thought, while we're waiting, we'll also do another one. We'll create an infographic.
And you can do that at the same time, can you, while it's doing something else?
Yeah, you can.
So explain an infographic.
An infographic is, you know how this post here,
Yeah.
you've written about a deadline and a lot of tea. You've written about stages, I think, haven't you, in this?
Mm-hmm.
What you do. So an infographic, this will kind of try and encapsulate all the aspects of that in one graphic. So it might show you different stages of painting or some. Do you understand
So
what I
it's
mean?
pulling out information from that post and creating a graphic, basically.
Yes. Yeah, that was a much better way of saying it. So let's do that. So I've actually done this before. I don't know if it'll come out the same, but you can actually make these in different formats.
Good. That's good.
So,
let's go for portrait then. No, let's go for square.
Square.
Just see what it does. Yeah.
Okay. Now I know that the time I did this before, it put a visual. The first time I did it, it did a visual of a man. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
And so I thought, well, it needs to be you, doesn't it?
Well, yeah.
So I then did another little prompt, and I just put, use a cartoon woman in her 50s with long blonde hair.
Okay.
Although, do you want me to put in her 20s?
Better not. Better keep it real.
Well, actually, I did one where I just put a woman with long blonde hair, and then it did that for me.
Okay.
But,
right.
So, but the trouble is, though, I don't know if you've noticed this, but if you say you're 50, sometimes on something like this,
it starts advertising funeral directors.
No, it makes you look like you're 90.
Oh, let's not do that then. Should we go? Let's go. I don't want to be 90. Well, I do one day, but not yet.
No, let's put it in because I want to do it.
Let's see what happens.
So have you finished your cup of tea? Let's have a look. Was that a good transition?
So, oh, look at this. Oh, look. It's so clever, isn't it?
Yeah.
You need to send these to me, Tara.
You can do some yourself.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's...
You have to watch it because it's not always brilliant at text, as you probably know with a lot of AI. They don't always handle text well, but these are quite nice, aren't they?
Yeah. I like that one click on that one.
The swishy one.
Oh, see, I like that. That one's like, yeah, I like that.
Yeah, they're quite nice. But you could just use these for, say, to go in with your blog post. And obviously you could create a presentation with them. The only downside to these, that I would say, is you can't edit them easily.
Right.
So it's not like you could put these
No,
in
but
with
it gives you so many to choose from that there's going to be at least 3 or 4 probably you can use out of that lot.
Well, you could run it again.
I mean, I
anyway.
wouldn't use that, but I would perhaps use that. I love that other one you just had up. That's good.
Oh, sorry, do you want me to
No,
up
no.
again?
You've
No.
got the other ones come up
Oh,
now.
I've got the other one.
So this
Let's
is
have a
the
look.
infographic.
Yeah. This is the infographic. I'm going to see if you look 90. Oh, no.
Oh, no, actually, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad, is it?
That is pretty good. Oh, that's so. Can I just can we go zoom in a bit? So the pre-state.
I don't know. Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
that's great. I like that.
Oh, yeah, look, it's giving you a slightly wrinkly forehead there, look.
Yeah, look. I need Botox, obviously.
And it's making you get messier at the later stages, look.
That's fantastic. Oh, I like that. I need that. I
Yeah.
need that graphic. It's
It is
brilliant.
yeah, it is. And I know you said before, though, you don't want it to create the images for you, but this is not... For me, this is just a supplemental thing. That
No. Yeah, no, I don't. This is fine. What I meant when I said I worry about AI, I worry about creatives using it to create images that perhaps instead of going out finding their subject, taking their own photographs if they're using photographs, or using AI to create their subject for them instead of getting it themselves and setting it up and working from life. That's what I mean by images. I would not want... I think that's what's sopping away our creativity. This, however, is fun. I love it. It's not doing any such thing, is it? This is a completely
No,
different
I think
thing.
it's great.
I love this. I really like that.
I was just going to see if it's got... I did some
I
before.
actually can't wait, and sorry to butt in.
Here, look. Yeah.
I can't wait for this video to actually come out so I can go back to it and do it. Because sometimes I can watch you do this and then I'll try and do it myself, and for some reason I won't remember quite how you got there. But when I go back to the video, I can pause it and go, right, now I need to do this. Now I need to do that. Brilliant.
I did make one earlier.
Go on, what did you do?
No, I didn't do anything. I thought this was really good. This that it made here. It made... I thought this was really nice.
Oh, look at this.
You weren't 50 in this one. This one you were about 25.
This one I was
think.
definitely my younger self.
Yeah.
I've even got the blusher and the lipstick.
Yeah, you are. But I like that. I like the look of this with
This
the
is
flow.
amazing. And this
Yeah.
is from my blog post.
Yeah, this is from your blog post.
You have to
fantastic,
send.
isn't
You
it?
have to send me these. You've got to send me these. I need to
Yeah,
use them.
I sent you this one. I
Did
sent
you?
This on the chat. You don't take any notes of me, do you? What to do for the next videos? I know you wanted to do a future me, didn't you?
Oh, quite a while ago, Tara was telling me about the fact that she had created a future Tara. So Tara in the future, who was selling her work for £10,000 and had whatever. It was a very successful version of the person she is.
Yeah.
Or rather more successful than the successful person that she is.
Got a quick
And
backtrack.
so I found that really great, because what she was doing is she was asking future self advice on how she, on what she should do to get to be her. Wouldn't that be great, Tara, if we could, go back to now when we were at primary school and secondary school and everything beyond that,
Yeah.
and ask ourselves as we are even now, the things we could have changed to have got somewhere, a bit more, I don't know, done a bit more or whatever, got the successes we would have wanted.
Yeah.
Where would our lives be now? It'd be amazing. I'd be on a yacht somewhere in, I don't know, Barbados,
But wouldn't it be
being
awful
fed
if we,
grapes.
if our future selves were like Waynetta? Do you remember Waynetta on that comedy?
No. Was it Wayne and Waynetta?
Yeah.
That rings a bell.
Really bad. a really bad British comedy. She was just like, she was disgusting, wasn't she?
I mean, that was probably the 80s, wasn't it? Was it
Probably.
90s, 80s? I don't know.
That's how old we are.
That's how old we are. But no, I'm really fascinated about that, and I would like to make a future me. So yeah, that would be great if you could go over that. I think that
As long
most
as you
people
don't
would
mind
find that.
revealing all the future you things.
Okay, no, I don't mind.
Yeah, good.
I don't mind. That's
Oh,
fine.
that sounds good.
All right. Well,
Shall-
we will see you then.
In the next one. Yeah,
I'll be wearing a different jumper next time because we've recorded the last 4 videos in one session.
You just haven't washed it.
Right.
See ya.
See you later.
Bye.